Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you the other use of mist machine, because normally we use mist machine for different type of moisturizing purpose, but in this video I will use a mist machine in another level or in different use. So let's see how I can use a mist machine in different way. So let's go to the project. So friend, first of all take a small mist machine and put petrol inside it. After that, put on the mist machine. You can see the mist is coming out. It is basically a petrol vapor. So most important thing, you must charge the machine at full potential so that the fire don't come at its mouth. So you can see it is working fine. So I have just put petrol inside the mist machine, and after spraying the petrol vapor, it will work like this way. But be careful, don't try this type of experiment at your home, because if you don't have a good experience in different types of project with fireworks, it may harm you. So be careful about this type of project and don't try this at your home. Friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Help me to increase by subscriber. Thank you.